The sun has set, and the moon is rising high in the sky. The watchman of the harbor is walking alone, feeling the calmness of the night. He breathes in deeply, smelling the salty air and listening to the sound of the waves gently lapping against the shore. The harbor is quiet, with only a few boats swaying softly in the water. The watchman's footsteps are slow and peaceful, as if he is savoring the stillness of the night. Above him, the stars shine brightly, like diamonds scattered across the sky. The moon casts a silver glow over the harbor, making everything feel serene and peaceful. The watchman walks along the dock, his eyes scanning the water, but there is nothing to worry about. The night is calm, and the harbor is safe. He feels grateful for this quiet moment, alone with his thoughts, under the watchful eye of the moon. As he walks, the sound of the waves and the creaking of the old wooden dock create a soothing melody, lulling him into a state of deep relaxation. The world feels at peace, and the watchman is at one with the night. The darkness is comforting, and the moon's gentle light makes him feel safe and protected. In this moment, everything feels right with the world. The watchman's heart is full of calmness, and his mind is clear. He is alone, but he is not lonely. The night is his companion, and the harbor is his home. The sun is set, and the harbor is quiet now. The watchman stands on the dock, looking out at the water. There are only a few boats left in the harbor, and they are gently swaying back and forth. The watchman likes to watch them, their masts creaking softly in the night breeze. He listens to the sound of the waves against the shore, a gentle lapping that is very soothing. The sound is like a lullaby, helping the watchman to feel calm and relaxed. As he breathes in, he smells the salty air, filled with the scent of sea and water. He feels the cool night air on his skin, and it helps him to feel calm and peaceful. The watchman closes his eyes, taking a deep breath, and lets the sound of the waves wash over him. He feels his worries and concerns slowly drifting away, like the boats on the water. In this moment, everything feels right with the world. The harbor is at peace, and the watchman is at peace too. He opens his eyes and looks out at the water again, feeling grateful for this quiet, gentle night. The moon is rising, casting a silver glow over the harbor, making everything feel magical and serene. The watchman smiles, feeling happy to be here, in this special place, on this quiet night. The watchman steps out of his small house near the harbor. He takes a deep breath of the cool night air. The moon is high in the sky, casting a silver glow over the water. He begins his nightly walk along the shore. His footsteps are quiet on the sand. The only sound is the gentle lapping of the waves against the shore. As he walks, he looks out at the moon's reflection in the water. The reflection is perfect, like a mirror image. He feels peaceful, watching the moon and the waves. The world seems calm and quiet. He thinks about the boats in the harbor, safe and still for the night. The watchman likes this time of day, when everything is calm and slow. The watchman continues his walk, taking his time. He doesn't hurry, enjoying the peacefulness of the night. The sand is cool beneath his feet, and the air is filled with the scent of salt water. He breathes deeply, feeling his worries fade away. The moonlight illuminates his path, making it easy to see where he's going. As he walks, he notices the small waves washing over the sand. The water is calm, but it's still moving. The watchman likes to watch the waves, seeing how they change with each passing moment. He feels connected to the natural world, watching the moon and the sea. His heart feels calm, and his mind is clear. The watchman's walk takes him to a point where the shore curves outward. He stops here, looking out at the harbor. The boats are all asleep, their lights turned off for the night. The watchman feels a sense of responsibility, knowing he's keeping watch over the harbor. But it's a gentle feeling, not a heavy one. He's happy to be here, under the moon, watching over the peaceful harbor. The watchman stands still for a moment, taking in the beauty of the night. The moon, the waves, the calmness of the world. It all feels very special. He feels grateful to be a part of this peaceful scene. And then, slowly, he begins to walk back, his footsteps quiet on the sand. As the night deepens, the watchman walks towards an old lighthouse that stands tall by the shore. Its towering figure is silhouetted against the clear, starry sky. The wind whispers softly through the trees nearby. He reaches the base of the lighthouse and begins to climb the winding staircase inside. Each step creaks slightly under his weight, but he climbs slowly and deliberately. With each stair, the light from the top grows brighter, casting its golden glow down onto the harbor below. At last, he arrives at the top. The view is breathtaking. The entire harbor lies before him, calm and tranquil under the watchful gaze of the lighthouse beam. Shimmering lights from a few distant boats dance on the water's surface. Farther out, the sea stretches into the darkness, a peaceful expanse. The surrounding hills are dark, but not entirely hidden by the moonlight. They form a gentle backdrop, rising softly to the night sky. The watchman leans against the railing and gazes outward. The sound of the waves is like a lullaby, soothing his mind and body. The watchman slowly climbs the last few steps to the top of the lighthouse. He sits down in his favorite chair, looking out at the peaceful harbor. The moon is high in the sky, casting a silver glow over the water. The watchman takes a deep breath, feeling the cool night air fill his lungs. He closes his eyes, letting the calmness of the moment wash over him. As he sits there, the watchman starts to think about his life. He thinks about his family, his wife and children who live in a small house near the harbor. He remembers the happy times they've had together, the laughter and the adventures. He thinks about his friends, the other watchmen, and the sailors who come and go from the harbor. He feels grateful for the simple, quiet life he leads. The watchman's thoughts turn to his work as a watchman. He thinks about the importance of his job, keeping the harbor safe for the ships that come and go. He feels proud of the work he does, knowing that he's helping to protect the people and the boats that rely on the harbor. As he reflects on his life, the watchman feels a sense of contentment wash over him. He knows that he's exactly where he's meant to be. The watchman opens his eyes, looking out at the harbor again. The moon is still shining brightly, casting its gentle light over the water. He feels at peace, knowing that everything is calm and safe. He takes another deep breath, feeling the tranquility of the moment settle over him. In this quiet, peaceful place, the watchman feels his heart fill with happiness and his mind grow calm. As the night wears on, the watchman sits in comfortable silence, watching the harbor below. The stars twinkle like diamonds in the sky, and the sound of the waves gently lapping against the shore creates a soothing melody. The watchman feels his eyelids growing heavy, but he's not ready to sleep just yet. He's happy to simply sit and enjoy the peacefulness of a night. The watchman stood on the edge of the harbor, looking out at the calm water. He took a deep breath, feeling the cool night air fill his lungs. The air was fresh and clean, with a hint of salt from the sea. He breathed in again, feeling his body relax. The watchman closed his eyes, listening to the sounds of the night. He heard the crickets chirping in the nearby grass, their gentle song a soothing melody. The waves lapped gently against the shore, a constant rhythm that seemed to match the beat of his heart. The watchman felt his body grow heavier, his eyelids getting sleepy. He opened his eyes, looking up at the moon hanging low in the sky. The moonlight cast a silver glow over the harbor, making everything seem peaceful and still. The watchman felt his gaze drifting downward, his eyes getting heavier and heavier. He let out a slow sigh, feeling the night air fill his lungs once more. The sounds of the night grew quieter, the crickets and waves blending together in a gentle hum. The watchman's breathing slowed, his body relaxing into the calm of the night. He stood there, a part of the peaceful scene, as the night air wrapped itself around him like a soft blanket. The world seemed to slow down, and the watchman felt himself becoming one with the stillness of the harbor. His eyes grew heavier, and he let them drift closed, letting the calm of the night wash over him. The watchman stood on the dock, looking up at the night sky. The moon was full, and the stars were shining brightly. They twinkled like diamonds against the dark blue sky. The watchman felt small, yet connected to the universe. He thought about how the same stars were shining down on people in other parts of the world. He wondered what they were doing and what they were thinking. The watchman's thoughts began to drift, carried away by the gentle lapping of the waves against the dock. He felt his worries and cares floating away, like the boats that sailed out of the harbor at dawn. The stars seemed to be whispering to him, their gentle sparkle a reminder of the beauty and mystery of the world. The watchman's eyes grew heavy, and he felt his breath slowing down. He was at peace, surrounded by the soothing sounds of the harbor and the twinkling stars above. The world seemed to be moving slowly, and the watchman was moving with it, his heart beating in time with the waves. In this moment, everything felt calm and quiet, and the watchman was grateful for the stillness of the night. The stars continued to shine down on him, their light a gentle guide into the depths of the night. The watchman's thoughts grew quieter, and he felt himself becoming one with the universe, connected to all things by the gentle threads of the stars. As he stood there, the world seemed to slow down even more, and the watchman felt his spirit expanding, filling the space around him. He was no longer just a watchman, but a part of the vast and mysterious universe, connected to all the stars and the endless sea. The stars twinkled on, a reminder of the magic and wonder of the world, and the watchman stood there, bathed in their gentle light, feeling the peace and tranquility of the night. The watchman's eyes are still on the moon, but his mind starts to wander. He thinks about the day that has passed. The sun was shining, and the harbor was busy. Fishermen were coming in with their boats, full of fish. The watchman remembers the sound of the seagulls flying overhead, crying out for food. The fishermen were laughing and talking, happy with their catch. The watchman was happy to see them, too. He likes the fishermen and their stories. They always have something new to tell him. As he walks along the harbor, the watchman smells the salt water and the fish. He likes the smell. It reminds him of the sea and its power. The watchman feels calm and peaceful, watching the fishermen work. He knows that the sea can be rough, but today it was calm. The fishermen were lucky, and they caught a lot of fish. The watchman is glad that they had a good day. The watchman's mind keeps wandering back to the day. He remembers the way the sunlight reflected off the water. It was like 1,000 little diamonds sparkling in the sun. He remembers the sound of the waves gently lapping against the shore. It was a soothing sound, one that always makes him feel calm. The watchman feels his eyes getting heavy, and he lets himself relax. He knows that the harbor is safe, and he can rest for a while. The watchman's thoughts are slow and peaceful, like the harbor itself. He is a part of the harbor, and the harbor is a part of him. He knows its rhythms and its moods. He knows when the fishermen will come in, and when the seagulls will fly overhead. The watchman feels a sense of belonging, of being exactly where he is meant to be. And as he stands there, watching the moon and remembering the day, he feels his heart fill with a sense of peace and contentment. The watchman's memories of the day are happy ones. He is grateful for the simple things in life: the sea, the sunlight, the fishermen, and their stories. He knows that these things make his life rich and fulfilling. And as he stands there, surrounded by the peacefulness of the harbor, the watchman feels his eyelids getting heavier and heavier. He is tired, but he is at peace. The watchman takes a deep breath, feeling the cool night air fill his lungs. He lets it out slowly, feeling his body relax even more. He knows that he'll stand there for a while longer, watching the moon and remembering the day. And as he does, he will let himself drift off into a peaceful sleep, surrounded by the soothing sounds of the harbor. The watchman's thoughts turn to his routine, the tasks he does every night. He thinks about the boats, tied up in the harbor, their ropes creaking softly in the gentle breeze. He must check on them, make sure they are safe and secure. He walks slowly along the dock, his footsteps quiet on the wooden planks. The moon casts a silver glow over everything, making the boats look like they are sleeping too. The watchman checks the ropes one by one, making sure they are tight and strong. He feels a sense of comfort in these familiar tasks he has done many times before. As he works, he looks out at the sea, watching the waves roll in and out. The tide is coming in. He can see it rising higher and higher up the beach. He knows the tides like the back of his hand, knows when they will come in and when they will go out. He feels a sense of peace, knowing that everything is as it should be. The weather is calm. The stars are shining brightly in the sky. The watchman breathes in deeply, feeling the cool night air fill his lungs. He feels his eyelids growing heavier, his body relaxing, letting go of all tension. He continues his routine, checking the boats, checking the tide, but his movements are slower now, more relaxed. He is not really thinking about what he is doing, he is just doing it out of habit, out of routine. His mind is starting to drift, to wander, to let go of all thoughts and worries. The watchman feels himself becoming one with the night, with the sea, with the moon shining down on him. He is at peace, and he knows that everything is okay. The watchman's routine is almost done. He just has a few more things to check. But he is in no hurry. He is savoring the moment, enjoying the peace and quiet of the night. He knows that soon he will be back in his chair, watching the harbor, watching the sea, and he will drift off to sleep, lulled by the sound of the waves. The watchman smiles to himself, feeling grateful for this life, for this job, for this peaceful harbor under the moon. As he finishes his routine, the watchman feels his body relaxing even more, his muscles letting go of all tension. He knows that sleep is near, and he welcomes it, he invites it in. The watchman's thoughts are slow and calm, his mind is at peace, and he lets himself drift away, into the night, into the darkness, into sleep. The watchman's eyes feel heavy, his head nods forward, and he lets out a gentle sigh. The warm moonlight shines down on him, casting a soft glow over the harbor. The sound of the waves gently lapping against the shore creates a soothing melody that seems to rock him back and forth. As he sits there, the watchman's thoughts begin to slow down, and his breathing becomes deeper and more relaxed. He feels his body sinking into the chair, letting go of all tension and stress. The stars above twinkle like diamonds in the night sky, and their gentle sparkle seems to lull him into a peaceful slumber. The watchman's eyelids grow heavier, and he lets them close, feeling the soft breeze carry the sweet scent of the sea across his face. As he drifts off to sleep, the sound of the waves and the creaking of the old wooden dock become a gentle lullaby, singing him into a deep and restful sleep. The moon continues to shine down, casting a silver glow over the harbor, and the watchman sleeps, surrounded by the peacefulness of the night. The world is quiet, and all is well. It's time for you to sleep too. So close your eyes, take a deep breath, and let the sound of the waves carry you away into a peaceful slumber. Good night, and may your rest be refreshing. Vocabulary: gentle, sigh, melody, relaxed, sparkle, slumber, restful, refreshing.